Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Here I have a shop display lock board, you could say, and basically it came with this footprint here, which is not what I need. This is for some sort of digital lock. So unfortunately I'm going to have to drill this out because I need it to be a 54mm hole for the next video I'm doing. So to be able to drill this, we need to first find out where our center is needing to be. Most of the time it's either two particular spots. On this board here there's a 50, a 60 and a 70. Now we need it to be a 60mm back set, so we need to drill a hole here. To drill the hole we're going to be using a hole saw with an arbor, and this is it here. So we need to drill through here, but unfortunately the drill size and the hole size are different. So when I drill, it's going to go all over the place. This happens very commonly on a lot of unit doors where people have fitted the wrong locks and things, and it's a real nightmare to recenter the hole. Here is a tool here that we sell. I'll leave the link down in the description. This has a 60 and a 70mm centering hole, so I can center it, and you can tell by the marks on it. It also comes with an extra piece which allows it to be 127. So that's the three most common sizes: 60, 70 and 127. So to use this I simply just push that in there. Now my hole saw is centered. It's not going to wander. You can also put the screws in there, but it's not really needed. Well, you can put the screws in there, but I've done this so much that I don't need to. So now I'm just going to drill through on one side. Once I get the hole started, I don't really need that center in there anymore, so I can simply just pop it up a little bit and just take it out. The reason I like to do that is because if you leave it in there, you actually score the tool, and that's not necessary to do. So I'll just finish off drilling halfway through my door. Now I've got my center. Make sure you get a real deep groove in there before you take the tool out, because that's what's going to allow the hole saw to line itself. Okay, so we've gone halfway through now. We don't want to go all the way, so I'm going to flip it over to this side, clamp it in. I'm going to find my tool again. I'm going to pop it back in there, clear out my hole saw so that it doesn't obstruct me getting a good cut. Putting that back on. Just holding it down so it's flat. Pick out my center. Taking the tool out. Now there's such a deep groove in there, I can find that quite easily, and it's not going to jump out as long as I'm applying pressure. And there we have it. It's very dusty, but I'm sure you can get the idea. So we've gone from an odd shaped hole now to a 60mm. Sorry, we've gone from three little tiny holes which were not in the right spot to a 60mm back set, which means the back set from the edge of the door to the center right here is 60mm, and this is a 54mm hole. So this is a standard size hole for knob sets, deadbolts and other digital locks and things along those lines. You can put just about anything in a 54mm hole. If you want to change it from a passage lock to an entrance lock, you can find a 60mm back set lock very easily. Most standard there's 60 and 70mm, and 60 is more common on residential. So that's why I'm building this board here, so I can display our next product. This tool right here is available from drlock.com.au. Comes like this, but it also comes with an extra extension, so you can do the 127. So 60mm back set, 70mm back set and 127mm back set. So those three back sets would be all you'd really need. And when you're re-drilling doors, internal doors, external doors, and somebody hasn't drilled the hole correctly, either it's too far this way or this way, high or low, it's easier just to put this tool back in there, find the exact center, re-drill it and then fit your lock. A lot of common lock problems are caused by the hole not cut out in the right size, the hole not cut out in the right spot. Sometimes it's on an angle like this and you wonder why the lock disconnects, is because the latch is not straight. So it's very, very common for people to fit locks where the actual latch is on a bit of an angle, or not, it's up a little bit like this. So the easiest thing for any professional to do, especially if you need to give warranty, is put this tool straight in there like so, find your center, re-drill it from both sides, gives you a perfect footprint. Okay, available from drlock.com.au. Thanks for watching.